All right, so this is a camera clamp mount, and this is actually a really nice, really good quality if you have handlebars or like a bar that you want to attach this to, maybe a railing. You basically can open this thing up really far. It's got really nice padding inside of it to just making sure like you're not damaging that bar as well. It also has a magic arm on here, so it's like kind of dual ball heads here that you can swivel around. Now it does come with another ball head that you can pop in here if you want just straight to action versus the quarter thread. And one of the cool things as well is it comes with a bag, and it comes with this little thing so that if you're worried about maybe it falling off of that somehow, you can attach this to it. It's just a good safety measure to have. They also include this, which is like, it's a Pocket 3. So if you have a Pocket 3 or a Pocket camera, you can actually attach this on it as well, and you can attach it to the magic arm. Just going on a handlebar, you can just clamp it down like so, and it gets really tight. It's probably one of the best because it's super tight on there, and then you have this magic arm to swivel that around whichever way you want to go, and then you tighten that down and it's on there really solid. So a great product, a lot of great accessories with it, highly recommended, and thanks for watching.